In this video, we will compare Razorpay versus Stripe. Razorpay and Stripe are both popular payment gateways but cater to different markets and offer distinct features. Razorpay is a great choice for businesses in third world countries, offering seamless integration with local payment methods like UPI, wallets and net banking, along with global credit and debit card processing. It also supports recurring payments and provides additional tools for invoicing, payroll and loans, making it an all-round payment solution for third world country businesses. Stripe, on the other hand, is more widely used globally, known for its ease of use integration with websites and apps. It supports a broad range of payment methods, including credit card and various digital wallets. It is favoured by tech-savvy businesses for powerful API, customizability and detailed reporting. Stripe is ideal for businesses with international presences who need a more complex payment feature. Ultimately, Razorpay is a better option for third world countries, while Stripe shines for global businesses looking for flexible, customizable payment options for first world countries such as the US, UK, and anywhere in Europe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.